In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink everything from Steam. Before we get started, it's important to understand one key thing. Steam does let you remove access from devices that are currently authorized on your account. But when it comes to third-party services like game publishers or cloud gaming platforms, there is no single universal unlink button inside Steam. That means you will need to handle this in two parts. First, deauthorizing devices in Steam and then manually disconnecting any external accounts one by one. Start by opening Steam. Once you are in, look to the top left area of the app and select Steam. Then choose Settings. Inside Settings, find the Security section. In this area, you should see an option related to deauthorizing all active devices. Select Deauthorize Devices to remove authorization from devices currently tied to your Steam account. This is a useful step if you want to make sure that previously approved devices no longer have access, especially if you've signed in on an old computer or shared machine. After that, the next part is unlinking third-party publisher accounts. This is where many people get confused, because these connections are usually managed on the publisher's website, not inside Steam itself. For example, if you want to unlink Steam from Epic Games, log into your Epic Games account through their website. Then go to Connections, choose Accounts, and look for the Steam connection. From there, click Unlink. Once you confirm the change, your Steam account will no longer be connected to Epic Games. You will need to repeat this same idea for any other services linked to Steam. Go to the specific publisher or platform website. Sign in to that account. Open the Account Settings or Connected Accounts section, and manually disconnect Steam. This may apply to services from companies like EA, Rockstar, Behavior Account, or GeForce Now. The exact menu names can vary slightly from site to site, but the linked accounts or connections area is usually where you'll find the option. As a helpful tip, take your time and check each service you've used with Steam in the past, especially if you are cleaning up old account access or switching to a different Steam account. Also, make sure any changes are fully saved before closing the page. Once you've deauthorized your Steam devices and manually unlinked your third-party accounts, you've completed the full process of unlinking everything that can be disconnected from Steam. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.